question that we get asked frequently is how to determine when an impulse is close to completion. The fifth wave of an impulse is usually accompanied with a divergence between the third and fifth waves. Many eliticians will use the default settings on the RSI, but you can also use other oscillators such as the MACD. A technique that is underused is to look at other correlated markets that move in sync with the market that you're counted. For example, in February of this year we posted this chart of the Kiwi for subscribers. We were counting the advance from the March 2020 low as an impulse, and in particular we were looking for the completion of the final fifth wave of an impulse to complete the green circled wave 5 from 65.46. When I cross-referenced the Kiwi to the Euro, I noticed the Euro had already completed an impulse into the January 2020 high, and I suspected the new high on the Kiwi was the fifth wave of an impulse. As you can see, there was a divergence developing between the Kiwi and the Euro. It's what we call a bearish non-confirmation. A few days later, we were watching to see if the Kiwi had put in a significant high at 74.64. While the Kiwi had pushed higher, the Euro appeared to have put in a secondary high and failed to confirm the new high on the Kiwi and took out its price swing low. We thought at the time that this was a significant clue and one that warranted our attention, as not only could we count a completed impulse on the Euro from the March 2020 low, we could also count a completed 5-wave advance from the March 2020 low to complete an impulse on the Kiwi. Fast forward, the Euro and the Kiwi have continued to decline as expected. The Kiwi has already taken out its April 2020 low. We expect the Euro to follow and continue below its March low at 117.03, so the Kiwi appears to be leading the Euro lower. In conclusion, when you can label a completed Elliott wave count, it's worth looking at other correlated markets that move in sync with the market that you're counting and see if there are any divergences. They may prove to be a vital edge or clue that you're after to give you the confidence to stick with your wave count. Thanks for watching.